It's
This one is a VLM. This is the latest stuff. This is a visual language model. You know, is this one using Quen? What is this?
Which one? This is InterVLM.
This is intern VLM.
Yeah, this is
so this is using Quen 2.5 underneath.
Yeah, it's Quen 2.5.
Is the LLM, and intern is the AI agent on top of it.
Yes.
Okay.
So what are the main application of those?
I beg your pardon?
What is the main application?
You're actually looking at the main application of it. It basically takes what you see and translates it into text.
Okay.
So, example of this would be like if you need to grade a paper, if you need to have continuous imprints on it. Basically, long story short,
Do you have a minute to come?
you know how you wish that you could automate something? You have like a process or something. This can actually put your image to text so that your machine can actually understand.
So like can you like just look at the expo, look through the expo, and it will tell you what companies are here, what do they sell?
So at this moment in time, this model is trained in order to acknowledge what's inside its current view, right?
Right.
So if you do this, right? A man in white shirt, tie standing in front of the mirror, right? Let's do this. Remote control is hands, right? There's different things that you could put in front of it, and it will actually register. So this is a small model right now. This is very much.
Can I identify my glasses?
Yes. Hold up. 1 second.
Man holding a pair.
Pair. Let's. It's a little harder with the things.
Using a pair.
And so we have the capabilities of doing this in live time.
It says scissors, not glasses.
It's because of the thing in the back. But if I do it like this, and here,
Still scissors.
interesting.
Okay. Need to learn more.
Yeah, a little bit. But yeah, it had glasses for a
I
little
don't
bit.
have a picture of you. I have to take a picture of me over here. 1 second.